Hey everyone, this is Julie. That's Randy over there in the background. Say hi, Randy.
Hi, Randy.
But I just wanted to show you, I noticed on Corey and Cynthia Davis' channel and Cold Beer's channel about their tree branch. Well, looky here. Look at what this tree has done. We lost one too. So, but the main thing with this one is that it was too close to that. So reality set in that if one of the babies would have been out here playing or something like that, so that tree is going to have to go.
Bye-bye.
Just because, huh?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, so that's just too close for comfort. So that's gonna have to go. But today, Rainey, what are you doing? Looking at your garden?
Picking peppers.
Our tractor is on the
Fritz.
yeah, so we have to mow, but look what you got. What is it?
Big old
Look how pretty. Rainey just got back from the eye doctor. They had to how do you say it? Dilate his eyes. Can you see? Whatever. But yeah, the garden looks good. Hey Jax. Jax, say hi. Jax is 12 years old. Well, I didn't want that to be on here. I guess everybody has to pee.
You gotta go.
Yeah. But tonight we are going to grill some chicken.
Peppers.
No. We're going to grill some chicken and make sandwiches, and also we're going to do these things out of biscuits, and they have like cheese and bacon, and what else is there? What else is on there? Cheese, bacon.
I don't know. This is your
Biscuits,
concoction.
cheese, bacon, and cream cheese, and you mix that together and put it on top of the biscuits and put them in. Yeah, and you put them on top of the. You got me messed up. You put them on the. You put them in the oven, and they make little cheese bites. So we're gonna try those out, and the chicken sandwich. We always make hamburgers, and I wanted to try chicken sandwiches.
We're gonna do some Hawaiian Sliders.
Hey, that's a good name. Yes, Hawaiian Sliders. I didn't know what we could call them, but yes. So stay tuned.
Okay, everybody. We're gonna put these little chicken breasts in this bowl to marinate for about 30 minutes. And these are really thin chicken breasts because we don't want them real big. So, gonna pop them in there.
Because they're going to go on these little bitty buns. Yeah.
Right. Well, that's slick. Nice and slimy.
I hope you're going to wash them off.
You don't wash chicken?
Yes, you do. Don't you, people?
Okay. I think that's 2. Oh, that was right. Oops.
Okay. Wash, wash, wash.
Drain them off real good. And then
What you got there?
this is just Food Club Hawaiian style marinade.
Oh, that's why you called them Hawaiian Sliders.
No, it's not. I came up with that all my own.
because you got Hawaiian rolls and you got Hawaiian marinade. What's in that? I don't know what that tastes like.
It smells really good.
You smell it, people? Oh, it does smell good.
Smell that. I'm just gonna put about 3/4 of the bottle in and use the rest to baste them, brush it on while I'm cooking them.
Cool. Okay, so you're gonna
Let me show you a little trick to get the marinade to penetrate.
You poke holes in it?
Poke the holes. Now I just don't want to let loose. And that's it. And we're going to stick them back in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or so. And just let them soak that in and marinate.
Okay, so you're going to let yours do that, and then I'm going to start on the cheese biscuits. And what you need for this is a muffin pan, and you have to have the flaky biscuits because you have to tear them apart. And you also have to have real bacon bits, and you need some cheddar cheese, and you need some cream cheese. So I'm going to open the can, start the oven, and what else? That's it. So I'll get back. Okay, that worked pretty good. I took a biscuit, basically I cut it in half, or tore it in half, and placed each one of those in the little muffin pans. And so now we're just going to mix the bacon bits, the cream cheese, and the other cheese together, and we're going to place it on top. So I'm going to start mixing that. Okay, so I got the cheese in there, the cream cheese, and the bacon bits, and I'm just going to stir that around, get it good and mixed up. And I'm just going to take this mixture and put it in the little biscuits, and then we're going to put it in the oven until they're a golden brown. And Randy, while I'm doing this, he is getting the chicken and stuff ready. I didn't know what these were going to taste like, or I don't know what these are going to taste like, but I saw it and I'm like, oh, I want to try that. Because have you ever had those cheddar biscuits at Long John Silver? No, Long John Silver's Red Lobster. They're so good. I love their cheddar biscuits. And they sell that at the store, which I'll probably already know that, but so good. I don't know where Long John Silver's came at. Okay. Probably need a little bit more cheese, because that's what makes it. It's the cheese. Okay. We got that. And we're just going to put them in here. And like Randy was saying earlier, you can put some jalapeno in here too, and that sort of just makes it a little bit more spicy. So I will put this in, get these all on top of these biscuits and stick them in the oven, and then come back and check on them, and then we'll do a taste test and see if we're going to like these or not. And if we do, I'll let y'all know for sure, so I can tell y'all don't waste your time or go for it. Okay, they are then in there, so let them cook until they're golden brown, and wish us luck. This is the first time we've done these, y'all. Okay, here they are. Now it's just ready for the taste test. They really look pretty good. Let's see. Okay, Randy, give me your honest answer. The people want to know.
Honest engine.
The people want to know.
Hot.
That's good. So would you
love
tell
it.
people to make it?
Absolutely.
You would? I did some jalapeno ones too, but that one didn't have jalapenos in it.
Yeah, that's really, really good.
It is? Awesome. So there you have it. Y'all, that's basically 4 ingredients. You can do 5 if you add the jalapenos, but that's 4. All right, so that's a good thing. Now on to the Hawaiian Sliders. Hey everyone, we're back. So Randy has some details to tell you.
Oh yeah. Okay, so just a couple of my personal tips on grilling. You want to get away from the wire brushes when cleaning your grill grates. That's hard to say.
What'd you say, grill butts?
Grill grates. The wire ones have little bitty pieces of wire on them, and sometimes they'll come off on the grill grate and it'll transfer to the food. People get them stuck in their throat. It can be dangerous. So anyway, what you want to use is one of these nylon brushes.
Those don't come off?
No, they don't come off, and even if they do, it's not going to hurt you. They're meant to use when the grill is cold, not hot, because if you use it while it's hot, it'll melt. So what you want to do, and I've already cleaned this one, but just go in there, just knock off any of the pieces. So you start with a good, clean, fresh scrape. Oh man, I almost forgot. The most important thing before ever even start grilling, cleaning, or anything like that, I gotta have my cold beer.
Chelada.
Plus, I never cook without my cold beer towel.
Cold beer.
Cold beer. Alright, so anyway, once you've brushed it off, and before you ever light it, now I'm using gas tonight because this is going to be a really quick cook. Normally I'll use charcoal, but before you light the grill, you want to spray it down kind of lightly with some kind of
What's that?
non-stick spray. This is Pam. I like the olive oil because it has a little bit of flavor to it. And just kind of let that soak for a little bit, and it'll keep all your food from sticking. So
Okay. Now you're gonna
let that do its thing for a few minutes. I'll fire it up and we'll get this thing going.
Chip, are you hot? I bet you are hot. All that fur. But I'll show you Skip's garden over here. It's growing big. He has a cute little tomato. If I can find it. I can't find that little tomato. But there was a little tomato on here. But now it's gone. But yeah. And some okra and stuff back there. Squash. Yeah, doing good. Skip, where's that little tomato?
I ate it.
Was it ready?
Yeah, it's ready.
Well, that's why I can't find it. Skip already ate it. It was a little baby. Okay, let's see what Randy has going here now. What you got? Oh, there's nothing on there.
Oh no! Time to put your chicken on. This is really thin. I think these are breasts that are sliced in half. So this is gonna cook really fast.
Let's hope. They're hungry.
You hungry?
I think those would look good work great on those little bitty Hawaiian
I think so too.
buns. Because they're a little bit bigger than rolls, but they're not as big as buns. I know. Who's the one that says...
big buns?
Who says that? Wayne? Is it Wayne? Who's that?
With what?
That says that on our channel all the time.
Says what?
Never mind. Went way over your head just then.
It sure did.
Remember the buns that we were talking about?
Oh, John Wiggs.
Oh, John Wiggs. He's the one that says it. Are they done yet?
Almost.
Get in
Getting
there. Got the lines going. Can y'all smell it? It's gonna be good. I just get tired of hamburgers sometime and just want to try something new. Like the same old dishes all the time. My sister, Rhonda, at home with Tom and Rhonda, she's good at coming up with meals and stuff. But, I don't know. Not me. Randy loves to cook, though. Y'all should check out Full Belly Ranch in a couple of weeks. He should be uploading some videos. Right, Randy?
Right.
Hey, we got him up to 37 subscribers. So if y'all haven't subscribed to, and now there's a Full Belly Farm.
Yeah, don't go to Full Belly Farm.
Go to Full Belly Ranch.
That's a good channel and everything, but it's not my channel.
Yeah, there's only like 2 videos on there. So he is going to...
I'm working on it.
Working on it, yeah. So he has his shop, if y'all see it out there. So he's working on that. As soon as he gets that completely done, then he can have time to work on his videos and stuff. But in the meantime, subscribe to Full Belly Ranch.
You won't regret it, I promise.
Yeah, and if you haven't already, subscribe to At Home with Tom and Rhonda. That's At Home with Tom and Rhonda. They should be having some videos out. I know Tom and Rhonda's putting up a pool, and we're supposed to have a big party out there for Rhonda's son Johnny. So that should be fun.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Okay, so the chicken's done. We got lettuce and tomatoes. And we're going to put pepper jack cheese on that. And then, of course, we like the bread and butter pickles. I personally like the sweet pickles. And, again, I warmed up the buns. And we're going to have the King Hawaiian rolls. They're not rolls, they're like little hamburger buns. So, I'm going to do that. I'm going to cover the chicken for just a little bit. As Randy would say, let them rest. So, after that, we'll fix our plate and we will eat. I still got the cheese biscuits things in the oven, staying warm. So, we'll have that too. So, yeah. So, we'll let you know how it is, y'all.